Hey everybody, this is Chris DeMarco in the TMC Newsroom, bringing you the biggest tech news of the day. Big items on the menu today include Amazon's new cloud player raining on the parade of music publishers, and electronics giant Sony under the attack from the hacktivist group Anonymous. Before we get off to those stories, though, let's start off with something a little bit lighter. Light as a feather, in fact. Following the success of the original, the RIO movie version of the popular Angry Birds mobile game has made it to 10 million downloads in only 10 days. Rovio partnered with 20th Century Fox in developing the game, designed as a tie-in to the film, which is slated for release on April 15th. An expansion for the game has already been planned for later this month. Moving along, if you've ever used Best Buy, Target, Walgreens, or Kroger's online services, then you've done business with Epsilon, one of the largest customer service outsourcers in the world. Unfortunately, over the weekend, Epsilon's customer database was compromised. A breach in the Texas-based company's network security allowed attackers to steal user information from millions, putting them at risk for identity theft and possible fraud. Most of the companies affected have already reached out to their customer base, but for more information concerning the breach, you can visit Epsilon's main website. In more security news, internet hacktivists Anonymous have targeted Sony for taking legal action against a group of PlayStation modders. The modders in question jailbroke the PS3, pulling its source code and releasing it over the internet. This code allows other modders to use the PS3 as a standard computer, running whatever software they wish on the console. Sony was not surprisingly unpleased with this and sought immediate legal action on the people involved, namely George Hotz, the hacker who first uncovered the code. Anonymous has labeled Sony's legal actions an attempt to curb the distribution of information. In a statement released by the group, Anonymous has said to Sony, "Your official websites will be taken offline, including the PlayStation Store, and these attacks will continue until we are completely satisfied with the outcome." Man, I'd hate to piss those guys off. And rounding out our news, less than a week from its release, Amazon's cloud storage and cloud player platforms are already coming under fire from music publishers who see the service as a promotion of music piracy. A Sony BMG representative suggested his company will pursue legal options against Amazon, and other various industry executives have also released disparaging remarks because the cloud player fails to meet licensing requirements. Amazon spokesperson Kat Griffin has said, "Cloud Player is an application that lets customers manage and play their own music. It's like any number of existing media management applications. We do not need license to make the Cloud Player available." Expect this debate to heat up when Apple and Google throw their hats into the hosted music player world this summer. That's all the news we have time for today. This is Chris DeMarco from the TMC Newsroom wishing you a great week, and we'll see you guys next time.